So a little bit about the human virome, and that's really like the virus, the ecosystem within our system, is that we have these commensal viruses that are actually part of our bodies, that they are part of our systems. We have viruses within our systems that actually don't cause any sort of clinical symptoms. So when we think of those clinical symptoms, we always think of like, you catch a cold and that our body produces a response to that virus. But with some of these viruses, they're within us and they're not causing any sort of symptoms at all. And there's also many of these viruses that are actually shown to have beneficial effects within our body. So there's some studies they're animal studies that show that some of these viruses that are naturally within our system are reducing the intestinal inflammation, and they're also providing us with resistance to infections. So there's not a lot of studies done on humans. A lot of those studies are done on animals, but it's showing that, that there is that potential that viruses, in terms of that human physiology, may actually be helping how our systems are functioning. And then there's these resident viruses. So they're viruses that influence our immune system, and they are helping our immune system to actually function better. We think of it similar to how the bacteria in our microbiome is actually able to modulate the immune system. Well, some of these viruses also play that similar role. And so they're not causing any sort of pathological problem within the body. So there's a lot of evidence that is showing that that virome is having a beneficial effect on our human function, as well as on our human immune system. So it's actually helping to shape a healthy immune system.